Whales are among the most extraordinary and mysterious creatures on the planet, captivating scientists and nature enthusiasts alike with their immense size, intelligence, and complex behaviors. These marine mammals are divided into two main groups: baleen whales, which use comb-like plates to filter food from the water, and toothed whales, which hunt prey using echolocation. The blue whale holds the record as the largest animal ever known to have existed, growing up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons, more than a Boeing 757. Despite their size, blue whales feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill, consuming up to 4 tons of them per day during feeding season. But size isn't their only incredible feature. Whales have evolved astonishing adaptations that allow them to thrive in deep and sometimes harsh ocean environments. Some species can dive more than a mile below the surface and stay underwater for over an hour without coming up for air, thanks to highly efficient lungs and a specialized ability to slow their heart rate to conserve oxygen. Whales also demonstrate remarkable problem-solving abilities and cooperative hunting strategies. Humpback whales, for instance, use a technique called bubble net feeding, where several whales dive below a school of fish and then release a spiral of bubbles while circling upward. This traps the fish in a tight column, allowing the whales to surge through the center with mouths wide open to feed. This coordinated behavior requires planning, timing, and communication, indicating a high level of cognitive function. Orcas, or killer whales, which are actually the largest members of the dolphin family, are perhaps the most intelligent and versatile hunters in the ocean. They use complex strategies to hunt a wide variety of prey, from fish to seals to even large whales. Different orca populations around the world have their own unique hunting techniques, vocalizations, and social customs, which many researchers consider to be evidence of distinct cultures within the species. Whale communication is another area that has fascinated scientists for decades. Humpback whales, for example, are famous for their complex and haunting songs, which can last for up to 30 minutes and be heard hundreds or even thousands of miles away. These songs are thought to be used for attracting mates or establishing territory, and intriguingly, they change over time as males in the same region slowly adopt new variations, almost like a cultural trend or musical evolution. Sperm whales, which are the largest of the toothed whales, communicate through a series of loud clicking sounds known as codas. These sounds may serve not just as communication, but also as a form of individual or group identity. And some researchers speculate they could even represent a kind of rudimentary language. Moreover, whales exhibit strong emotional intelligence. They form close-knit pods, teach their young how to navigate and feed, and sometimes even display groups. There have been observed cases of whales carrying their dead calves for days, a behavior that suggests mourning. Some species also possess physical traits that are both bizarre and beautiful. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea, is known for its long spiral tusk, actually an elongated tooth, that can grow up to 10 feet long. While its exact function is still debated, scientists believe it may play a role in mating displays, navigation, or even sensing environmental changes. Beluga whales, often referred to as canaries of the sea, can produce a wide variety of sounds and are known for their playful behavior and expressive facial features due to their flexible necks and lack of a rigid facial structure. Interestingly, whales also play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Through a process called the whale pump, they recycle nutrients by feeding at depth and defecating near the surface, which fertilizes plankton, the base of the ocean food chain. In this way, whales help support fish populations and even contribute to carbon sequestration.